Hey, if you have a Freightliner Cascadia and you're going down the road, especially at night, and your truck just decides to just cut off and maybe cut back on, or maybe just stay off. It could be in the middle of the night, all your power is just gone. Well, most of the time the problem is your what's called your main PNDB little module here. It sits behind the airlines. You got your engine right here. It's a DD15. You got your fuse box right here, your chassis, and you got your PND box, PNDB box back here. I don't know if I can focus on that. Let's see here. This is camera, right? I can't get it focused. Well, anyway, here's the new one. Here's the new one right here. PNDB box. It's got little fuses inside, and this part right here is usually what goes bad. So my truck is every now and then kind of intermittent, going in and out. So what you got to do is you got these connections here. Disconnect that connection here, here, and here. So here, here, and here. I use a 13 millimeter, and you're gonna have a power. Your positive is going right here also. Now, and you got little two connections right here. You have to disconnect. I use a 13 millimeter socket to disconnect them, and it's kind of hard getting between these airlines back here. But some people move the airlines, some people disconnect them. I'm just fighting around them to get to these 13 millimeter bolts. Like I said, sitting there like this. You got 3 here for connections, and you got 1 here. But what's mounting it on here is this corner, lower right hand corner, and the upper left hand corner. That's what's mounting it on there. So that's pretty much all of that. And I'll be back once I get it on there. All right, I got the old one out of there. A half inch socket works better than the 13 on these. By the way, this part, it's about $435 off Amazon. Here's the old one. I just took this off just to make sure the fuses is in here. That's what it's going to look like sitting up there behind the airlines. You got, like I said, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 connections, and then you got the mounting, and then you got 2 wire harnesses that go in there. So I'll put this new one on and probably just take the old fuses out of this one and scrap it. Done with it, and we should be good to go for another 1,000,000 miles, I hope. Let's go. All right, I got the new one on. But what you will see back here, you see that red light right there? Usually that red light is on if you have your kill switch on. You always see that red light back there. That's where the PNDB module is. And if this goes bad, all power to the truck will cut off on you at any time. So also, if you ever get a new one from either Amazon or wherever you get one from, this connection right here, there's going to be a tab. Here's a tab right here. There's going to be a tab on a new one. You need to just break that off. You need to break that off because your connection is going to come in and go down this way. And this tab that comes on the new one will block that. It'll be right here. Just break it off. Easily break off. And hopefully that helps someone out. Have any questions? Hit me in the comments. Peace.